Do not be shocked when people of the world do evil and love it. Why? Because it takes God to make you realize what is good and what is evil. Without God, you will call good evil and evil good. And we better believe in this. And we better acknowledge this, confess this, and profess this. Without the Lord Jesus, there is no discernment. There isn't. It is the Lord who tells you where is the truth and where is the lie. It is the Lord. You know, when the pandemic came in 2020, this piece of wreck, this sinner of all sinners, the number one sinner, Bishop Murray, the Lord revealed to him 2 years prior, 2018. The Lord said, I will bring the whole world to its knees. Why? Because people have forgotten me. They have walked away from me. And he was extremely disappointed, sad with his beloved church. Because he says, the church should work for me, not for the world. Should follow me, not follow the world. But the Lord revealed that pandemic was a joke. But he allowed it to teach the Christians a lesson. Don't ever walk away from the Lord, lest the door of mercy, his door of mercy, is shut in our face. And what happens when the door shuts? Our father Noah says it. The people came knocking at that door of the ark. Please open it, the flood is coming. He said, I wish, my heart goes out to you. I am really shattered from within. But the problem is, I didn't close that door. It is God who closed the door of the ark. And when God closes the door, nobody opens. Nobody can open. And when God opens the door, nobody can shut. You better believe everything is the Lord. His name is Jesus Christ of Nazareth. This is the only God, the only true living God. There is no one else but Him. You're not going to find anyone when you make it to heaven. Or when the spirit leaves the body, you will not find any other God. For this I live, for this I die. Rest assured, there is only one God. And there is God, by the way, and His name is Jesus Christ. So don't ever say there is no God. You'll get the shock of your life when your spirit leaves the body, my dear friend. The next life is kind of frightening when you are not on the right side. When Christ is not your portion, it's very frightening when you leave this body. I can assure you it's very frightening. Very frightening. I don't want to scare you, but I have to warn you. There is a difference. Now, it takes Christ to enlighten the soul, to enlighten the human being. We have another issue here. The issue is not only the body or the flesh of sin. This body that we dwell in, this body that we live in, causes us a lot of dramas, a lot of troubles. It takes us to the wrong places, and it tells us to do the wrong things. The wrong things. But there is another issue. You see, the issue of the flesh is an internal sin, but there is an external sin to us as well called the world. So the internal sin we deal with and we struggle with is the flesh, the weakness of the flesh, or the lust of the flesh. But there is another issue we struggle with, and that is the external issue or the external sin, and that is the temptation of the world. Let's go downtown, brother. Let's put the Sabufa Habibi in the backseat and go, wa'a dov dov. Would you like to try this little powder? Come on, man, you only live once. Let's go and have fun. Go with the flow. All people live this way. What's wrong with you? Are you the black sheep or the odd one? Just go with the flow, friend. No, you don't belong to the world. Get it through your head. Get it through your head. Life is extremely short. Don't bargain with it. Don't play with it. It's not a toy you play with. Your life is precious. It took the blood of Christ to give you this life. Don't play with it, my child. Do not, I beg you, do not.